Good morning, 8th grade. I'm probably repeating myself here. Some of you are confused this week about the assignments because I put a math lesson on every day. And so you're asking, do I need to do a lesson on Tuesday? Well, the answer is yes and no. So how you like that? If you do a lesson on Tuesday, you only do one on Friday. And if you do not do a lesson on Tuesday, if it's no, you will need to do 2 on Friday. And so I'm putting 5 lessons on, and I'm just putting a lesson per day. And if you want to work behind one day, that's fine. But please, Friday, you must do 2. So you must get caught up by Friday. So I don't care when you do the 5 lessons. You will do 5 lessons a week, and we will continue that throughout the school year. So, this morning, you should be ready for quiz 1. 8th grade math, quiz 1. And let me give you a little rundown of what you should be prepared for. You need to be ready to be able to tell me which is the sign. And it's the opposite with the hypotenuse. Then you should be able to figure that by dividing the bottom one into the top one. And you have some diagrams of triangles, so you have to put in place which number is where. And for the cosine, you'll put the adjacent on top and the hypotenuse on the bottom. I didn't spell out all those words. Hypotenuse, you know I don't know how to spell that word, right? So the opposite leg, the hypotenuse equals the sine. And then for the cosine, it's adjacent leg and the hypotenuse. And then for the tangent, it's the hypotenuse on top and the adjacent on bottom. No, the opposite top, adjacent bottom. So be very, very familiar with that because you have it a whole bunch on your test, or your quiz actually, to tell you the truth. You should have the quiz. I send them home with you. You also need to know, now please don't look at it now. Don't look at it till you're ready to do it. You should have your property tax. You remember how to figure meal. And then you should also be able to figure unit prices. And guess what? I know that one of you know how to figure that because you called me and asked me how to figure it on lesson 4. So great for you. I'm not worried about you. But for the rest of you all out there, be sure to know how to figure the unit price. You have a section in lesson 4 that tells you that. You have a couple story problems. You know how to figure negative and positive. It's a pretty easy quiz. You should all be able to make 100, and then be sure to bring it back this weekend. This weekend, you should bring all your tests and quizzes back so that I can check them. Have a good day and enjoy doing your quiz. Whether you do it on Thursday or Friday, I don't care.